Hello guys, if you think your hammer of thrown is small, then this video is exactly for you. And if you don't know what a hammer of thrown is, then forget about it. This video is for exactly for those guys who think that their hammer of thrown is small. We are showing you exactly how to make this oil you can use, and you can do it at home to change the size of your hammer of thrown. Get yourself a single leaf of banana flower. That is what you can see on the screen right now, the reddish part of a banana flower. Just a single leaf is enough to make this oil and get what you want. This oil works perfectly for most people. Almost 80 to 90% of those guys who tried, they got an interesting results. Some people do not believe about this, but the nature has everything a human needs. It is just a matter of discovery. If you have never heard about this, just try it and you will see what are the results. Trust me. The second ingredient you will need are eggshells. Yes, dried eggshells. Get yourself eggshells and keep it in a direct sunlight for at least 2 days to dry them, and find a way to crush it to a finer pieces. We are showing you this method. We don't know whether you will get something like this to use to crush the eggshells. Do not forget the eggshells we are talking about here is from a chicken egg, not otherwise. We have never tested the other eggs. It's not a duck egg or whatever, but we are talking about the chicken egg. Then you will have to get a castor oil. It is found in most supermarkets, then used to fry the sliced banana flowers. As you can see, you can use around 200 to 250 mils of the castor oil to fry until they start turning brown, and then you add another ingredient. What you see is called chia seeds. This is also available in most supermarkets. Add 1 full tablespoon of chia seeds and fry together for at least 3 minutes before adding the third ingredient. After adding the crushed eggshells to obtain some calcium to make your hammer of thrown harder, fry it for at least 7 minutes and until you see the banana flowers, they start turning to deep brown, that is almost black, and then allow to cool before straining the oil. Strain the oil, and then you will use that oil to massage for at least 3 minutes twice a day, and for at least 10 to 14 days. It will take at least 1 week to start seeing visible changes. Thank you for watching. What do you think about this oil? If you heard about, if you know about it, then I would like to hear from you in the comments below. And if you have never heard about it, it's your time to try it and see what you will get. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural, tipsy, and interesting ones.